Budazweli.
Hola China.
Khotman lam.
Sure.
Welcome to PSL Pass Plus.
Hayi ngiyabonga bro.
Nazi namhlanje ngikubizeleni.
Ungibezeleni bro.
Ufuna sixoxe le ndaba yabafana. Wazi ama Kaizer Chiefs fans out there. Most of them they believe ukuthi Mexico iyadlula.
Okay, since now you're one of the fans, one believer.
Khotman lam mina at this point angifuni ukusho but maybe when uzongenza as ngibe convinced. Nazi izinto kimi. You decided ukuthi wena no Jojo Bros the team yabafana ishiye uPeterson ngasemuva. Ngifuna siqale la kuWilliams. uWilliams uconsider almost in every game kubafana. Now sithatha uWilliams siyangaye kwiMexico. IMexico the only time engaconsideranga ngayo ku last 5 matches yayo. If ngizokutshela mina was the time abadlale idraw nePortugal ka-0-0. Kwi-draw yabo abayidlale abangaskoranga kuyo was the game ku last 5 matches abaskoranga only in one game, which was a 0-0 draw with Portugal. And then now uthatha Williams who conceded in every match when uyomvimbisa against Mexico. So kwi-Mexico uqalisa bani? Uqalisa uSipho Chain, uqalisa uWilliams lo omthathile ke lama goalkeeper wayenu eniwathathile nathi no siyangayo World Cup lan.
Okay, before ngiphendule umbuzo wakho, yabona njengoba manje sihlangene sisibafana sengama support webafana asayi ukuthi ubani okhona ubani ongekho. Siya ngokuthi si supporta ibafana forgetting ukuthi ubani uphuma kuphi ubani uvela kuphi. Sehlanganisa into one neslogan sebafana siyasho ukuthi all of us all in kawufela.
Rekawufela.
Yeah.
Now awungitshele ke kule question yami.
Yeah.
Ku start sakho against Mexico kwi goalkeeping ngifuna siqale move. Ku goalkeeper wakho oqala.
Uyabona lapho to be honest ngizothatha not because ngifavor Pirates ngizothatha uSipho Chain simply because uqeda ukubreak record yo la ku PSL uyi top goalkeeper
at the moment.
Yes, at the moment. So obviously siyodlala a first match ku World Cup kufanele ukuthi noma kanjani sifake the top players.
So ku starting 11 sakho against Mexico ubona uSipho eqala igame.
Yes, like ngishilo ukuthi thina as fans kumele si support whatever decision ezothathwa coach but kube yimi coach mengizofaka uSipho Chain.
So uSipho unawo ama errors wakhe siyayazi now.
Yes.
And then we believe ukuthi uSipho i-defense yakhe was way solid this time, especially nendlela unyuka ukuthi bek-attackwa ngayo kwi-team yakhe, so that emenza sometimes athole lama clean sheet noma comfortable. Now this is an international stage. Sesiphezulu kakhulu ke now. Sidlala nama team apressayo, sidlala nama team attackayo. So umbona uSipho in terms of ukuthi ucommunicate grand defense yakhe.
Yeah, uyabona from futhi lapha uyohlangana nabo Mbokazi abantu mekadlala nabo even before and nayo le clean sheet yakhe ayitholile uyithole because abo Mbokazi even before because ayodlala international. Right now uMbokazi uza ne-experience international plus uzo-edwa nale uSipho Chain nayo ama clean sheet together namanye ama defense akhona, so i-defense akhona izoba very powerful.
Wathatha indawo interesting yazi. Ukhuluma ngoMbokazi.
Yeah.
Uyakhumbula uMbokazi wayene yellow card against Zimbabwe. Anenwanya red card against Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Le ekwakho i100,000 yabhenwa 100,000. Wathola igame ye-fine. Yeah, ifine igame eyi-1. Sabe sizodlala neZimbabwe neRwanda igame eyi-1. So now here's the trick about this. uMbokazi ufiniwe iFIFA.
Yeah.
uMbokazi was suspended one game. We played a game neRwanda. Now angifuni ukuthi uyayazi safina amablanda. No, uMbokazi uyayidlala le game. Now okay, ususpended kwi game eyi-1. Iyafofithwa la incident eyenzeka egamini ukuthi le red card kumele kuskiphe 2 matches okanye uMbokazi uqediwe ngale game eyi-1.
Lapho nama ngikho but I believe ukuthi iyafofithwa.
So usevela game ye-Rwanda.
Yeah.
So isafa ingamqalisa uMbokazi. Si believe ukuthi isafa yamqalisa uMbokazi.
Yes, kufanele imqalise because siyamdinga kule game.
I think nabahlali ke they will actually assist on that one, but you know that isafa mos ibaneza blunders zayo. And then sibuye ku defense yakho uMbokazi umbeka nabani. We know that uMbokazi of course he's the key player with defense. U4 and 5. Umbokazi umdlalisa noSibisi or umbokazi umdlalisa noNdamane. Ukhumbula umbokazi ngu-left, uNdamane ngu-left. So uSibisi ngu-right, i-advantage kaSibisi ke leyo. So umbokazi uqala noNdamane or umbokazi uqala noSibisi or udlalisa uSibisi noNdamane because of kulapho kuzoba crucial khona kakhulu. Remember that isikhusela your goalkeeper la uSipho Chain.
Yes.
Uqalisa umbokazi nabani lapha kule 2.
Lapho obviously noma abantu bazothi ngiyafavor kodwa ngizoqalisa uLand no Sibisi. uSibisi bane good communication no goalkeeper no Chain. Naye lo mbokazi they play together banaleyo communication very strong.
Yeah, bravo. So uSibisi uBhodlela uyamfaka ku starting 11 seMexico.
uBhodlela usanda ukuphakamisa ama-cup lawo mokuthiwa angeke awaphakamisa. uBhodlela una that winning spirit. Ngiyomfaka mina kulokuzana kuMexico.
Wow. And then sibuye sibheke imidfielder yakho. Sino Adams la. uAdams siyamazi njani noMukwena.
Yeah.
uTebugo. And then again uzothola ukuthi sino Sithole, sino Mukwena. Sino Mukwena, sino Mbatha. Remember that samena ama midfielders ayi4 la.
Yeah.
And kumele sebenze phansi kwama midfielders ayi4. Especially u6 and 8. Sidependa kuwo lama midfielder ayi4. So udlalisa uMukwena noMbatha or udlalisa uMukwena noAdams abajwayelene kuSundowns or uMukwena noMbatha. uMbatha esimazi ugood makaya phambili. uMukwena can play both defensive and attacking. So ungena ngabani ku midfielder yakho masodlala neMexico?
kuMexico lapho ngaqala ngoLexana ngoZwane no Adams. Simply because bane low relationship.
uMukwena umshiya ngani uyamngenisa naye because of remember that uZwane kumele adlale u10.
uZwane athi 10
and uZwane is one of the players ekhanisayo because of akekho uZwane udlale kwisikhathi sakudala. He's not like modern player whereby akhonayo ukuswitch positions grand.
uZwane vele ngizomfaka ku10 because of experience yakhe. Bese la ngithi uMukwena no Adams because of the combination yabo abayijwayele from Sundowns. Remember mama si-attack ngayo le combination lena esijwayele vele from remember labantu basanda ukuthatha istar ngayo le combination le. So yiyo esifuna le combination ukuthi siyodla amazwe ngayo.
uZwane ngizosho ngisithi basithathile istar neSundowns. Asimdleli njalo umshishi. But looking at the tempo ye game, do you think uZwane uzayimanage la tempo izabe high la game? Itempo ya la game izobe high. And uZwane siyambona ukuthi uslow kangakanani currently. And you check it team yakho uGadoso bekamdlalisa second half isikhathi esiningi. I think kule season ama stats ama game awaqalile mancane kakhulu. Because of isikhathi esiningi uZwane will go in just ukuthi acontrol itempo ye game. Ukuthi okay now siya leader at least masehliseni umdlalo. Now siyakubafana abafana. Itempo ye Mexico isekhaya eMexico. Remember that Mexico isekhaya. Itempo ye game izobe high to the level ukuthi we need player ukuthi nathi mabe attacker nathi siya attack. So will you choose uZwane ku10 over uRile?
Okay, to start up game ngizoqala ngaye uZwane. Just ukuthi alethe le experience yakhe. Le experience anayo. Yes angaba slow but amanye ama player azomkhuthaza ukuthi naye kukiwe phambili. uRile will come as a game changer. Laba nga expectanga iMexico and then we're gonna kill them ngoRile.
Sinama wingers ekunzima kuma wingers bra wami South Africa. Especially with the team. Some blame coach now.
Yeah.
Sisebenzisa lento ekhona. We have Apolis there. We have Moremi. Those are the wingers esibelieve kuye. uRile uzawuswitcha adlale winger adlale u10. So uRile is a player ezaba neutral kakhulu kwibafana bafana. So now masasibheka phambili. Siyayazi ukuthi lama wingers mela supply striker sethu. We believe kuMoremi ngepace 9 against Mexico. So siyamqalisa of course it's normal. It's obvious. Kukho ama player obvious ukuthi uyaqala. Moremi uyaqala, Apolis uyaqala. Asiyazi ke kuRile noZwane. Now sino Reynas, sino Makgopo. uReynas i-top goal scorer kula ma strikers alapha ya. Sino Foster. uFoster APL 26 games, 3 goals, 4 yellow cards. shuthi now ama-yellow cards ku-Foster are more than ama-goals. UMakgopa, sinoMakgopa ngwanasisi, ball control, everything is there. He never came angadeliver kuBafana Bafana. Sino Renas, sisniper uRenas. Uqala ngabani with the 3 strikers or udlala information ezakwenza udlale with 2 strikers or uzodependa kuma-wingers udlale nge-strike esi-1. Uma udlala nge-strike esi-1 uqala ngesiphi strike? Kulama strike ayi-3.
Ngizodlala nge-strike esi-1. I-strike esi-1 ngiqale ngolokuzana uMakgopa ubulawe nge-game time ko-Orlando Pirates. Yikho engeke ngiqale ngaye because he's not our top striker at the moment. uLokuzana uFoster usikhombisile ku-friendly match le mesidlala ngoba kuqalwe ngaye ukuthi akekho fit enough to start la game. uRenas usikhombisile ukuthi uyadeserve ukuthi aqale la game because he's a leading goal scorer ku-PSL. I-team yakhe usanda umnceda ne-team yakhe ukuthi ithathe second star. So I will really start ngoRenas.
So ulokunjana uFoster uyamkhipha kuyo yonke lama games.
Angeke ngimkhiphe kuwo wonke ama games. Akhona la engizomdinga khona but uyazi ukuthi sisithatha game by game. But lena sokuqala ngoRenas sibone ukuthi game hamba njani, then we see ukuthi which striker between the two laba abanye ukuthi esingasubstitute ngabo ukuthi baba silethele yini.
And then ukhe wazibheka indaba zokuthi now ama changes we FIFA kukho changes kwi FIFA. Goalkeeper goal kick supposed to be 10 seconds. Throw in ngama 5 seconds.
Yes.
The substitution is just 60 seconds. So do you think team yethu is disciplined enough ukuthi now lezo nto sokhona ukumelana nazo?
Our team vele kumele ibe disciplined. Uyabona manje kumele kusebenze nabantu laba abanye abasebenchini. Iba coach enough because bheka incident enzakele ukuthi sidlale with 12 players. Ama mistake kanjalo awafuneki on the world stage.
So discipline uthi siyayileka at some point.
We are lacking. I'll be honest to say we lacking in discipline somehow. Bheka even noma samba umeshota ngama visa. Some players didn't have visa. So there's a lot that needs to be done. But right now isikhathi asekho. We are already on the world stage. Kumele iwe phambili. Kumele kusheshwe manje.
Masivala. Yawe ni Bafana kanjani ku first game?
First game isibuya nayo 2-1 score.
Siya qualify kuma group stages. I mean siyadlula kuma group stages to knockout round of 32.
This is the year that is to break a record ukuthi noma we are listed the least ku group yethu siya phambili. Next stage.
Ngiyavuma Grootman nami sohlangana score prediction
2-1 le yakusasa.
2-1 le Jamaica. Yadlala neJamaica remember. Jamaica to friendly today. And then we World Cup against Mexico.
Mexico ngithe 2-1.
Yadlala Mexico.
Yes.
Ubani scorers?
Renas no Rile.
Sure.